Welcome to Foodies Corner, where California tomatoes become America's favorite sauce every single day.
Welcome to the Foodies Corner processing facility, where cutting-edge automation meets the freshest American tomatoes. Our continuous production lines ensure peak efficiency. Millions of fresh tomatoes arrive here before becoming smooth, flavorful tomato sauce through processing. Stretching across the horizon near Woodland, these vibrant fields represent the pinnacle of American agriculture, bound for the Foodies Corner factory. Farmers stop watering weeks before harvest, creating richer, thicker tomato pulp for processing naturally. Special processing tomatoes survive powerful harvesting machines without losing valuable juice or firmness completely.
Advanced harvesting machines collect enormous tomato crops with remarkable speed and precision every harvest.
After 90 growing days, millions of tomatoes reach perfect harvesting condition across California farms. In the heart of the valley, these machines redefine efficiency, gathering the crop at a pace once thought impossible.
Inside machines, vibrating separators remove tomatoes, while leftover plants become nature's compost for future.
Strong mechanical shakers separate ripe tomatoes while protecting every fruit from unnecessary damage completely. Every trailer carries freshly harvested tomatoes directly toward Foodies Corner without unnecessary handling delays today. Each trailer holds nearly 300,000 perfectly harvested tomatoes before transportation begins smoothly. Harvest crews fill 24 trailers daily during California's busy tomato harvesting season every year. With precision logistics, the team ensures the harvest reaches the massive Foodies Corner processing factory in Woodland on schedule. 32 tons arrive carefully, preserving freshness before factory processing begins, inside immediately every delivery. Strong mechanical shakers separate ripe tomatoes while protecting every fruit from unnecessary damage completely. The mechanical separator efficiently removes the vines, ensuring only the ripest tomatoes continue their journey down the stainless steel channels. Advanced optical sorting removes unwanted materials before tomatoes continue efficient industrial processing safely today. Only premium tomatoes continue toward trailers after careful inspection inside harvesting equipment every time. Water cushions every tomato, preventing bruises before washing begins inside massive processing lines today.
The stainless steel channels ensure pristine cleanliness, while our team provides meticulous human inspection.
Stones sink naturally, while floating tomatoes continue perfectly clean through washing channels together.
Clean tomatoes approach giant bubble tanks for deeper washing before quality inspection begins carefully. Utilizing our enclosed stainless steel water conveyor, every tomato is guided through precise lanes, ensuring peak freshness upon arrival at the inspection stage. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every tomato receives a uniform, high-pressure rinse, guaranteeing peak freshness from farm to table.
Careful inspection ensures only premium tomatoes continue toward Foodies Corner processing equipment every time.
Welcome to the Foodies Corner factory in Woodland, California. Here, our tomatoes are meticulously cleaned before moving to the blanching section. Gentle heat prepares tomatoes for effortless peeling without affecting fresh, natural quality completely.
Carefully controlled temperatures loosen tomato skins while protecting juicy pulp inside every fruit naturally. The blanching process is critical. Our tomatoes emerge perfectly intact, ready for the gentle peeling stage ahead. Mechanical peelers remove skins smoothly while preserving valuable tomato flesh during production completely today. Freshly peeled tomatoes receive final washing before precise cutting begins inside the factory today. Precision blades process thousands of tomatoes every minute with remarkable industrial efficiency and accuracy.
Here in Woodland, California, our team meticulously sorts the harvest, guaranteeing the high quality and consistency of our premium product.
Perfect tomato pieces move directly toward powerful crushing machines through enclosed conveyors without interruption. Crushing systems transform tomatoes into smooth puree using precise mechanical processing technology efficiently. Fresh tomato puree flows smoothly toward filtration for cleaner, richer sauce production every batch. Industrial filters remove seeds and skins, creating perfectly smooth tomato puree for cooking. Multiple filtration stages improve texture before cooking begins inside massive steam kettles every day. Heavy crushing systems transform tomatoes into smooth puree using precise mechanical processing technology efficiently. Industrial filters remove seeds and skins, creating perfectly smooth tomato puree for cooking. Multiple filtration stages improve texture before cooking begins inside massive steam kettles every day. Filtered puree enters giant steam kettles for slow, controlled cooking under constant, gentle stirring. Gentle steam cooking develops deeper flavor while preserving natural tomato richness and freshness perfectly.
Here at Foodies Corner in Woodland, California, we ensure only the freshest ingredients move along the line with absolute precision. Our new stainless steel slicing system ensures perfect uniformity. Every slice is precisely measured before moving seamlessly to the next stage.
Sunflower oil gently heats before onions and garlic release rich natural aromas during cooking.
Careful cooking creates aromatic oil that enriches every batch of tomato sauce perfectly together. Prepared aromatic oil flows toward mixing tanks for the next important production stage together. Smooth tomato puree enters massive mixing tanks for carefully balanced flavor development every batch. Aromatic onion oil blends perfectly with tomato puree inside enormous stainless steel mixing tanks together. Measured seasonings create the signature Foodies Corner tomato sauce flavor loved across America today. Continuous mixing guarantees every can delivers identical taste, texture, and premium quality consistently today. At Foodies Corner in Woodland, California, our rich tomato sauce flows smoothly towards pasteurization.
Welcome to the Foodies Corner factory in Woodland, California. This state-of-the-art pasteurization system ensures our signature
Carefully controlled temperatures preserve smooth texture while extending shelf life through pasteurization naturally today. Freshly pasteurized sauce cools gradually before entering the fully automated filling department inside today. In the main facility, thousands of cans move with synchronized precision towards the cleaning station, overseen by our veteran inspectors.
Gentle ionized air cleans every can before fresh tomato sauce enters safely inside today.
A symphony of stainless steel and dedicated oversight ensures perfection at every stage of the process. The team removes trapped air before lids permanently seal. Every aluminum can perfectly together today. Sealed cans continue toward labeling before nationwide distribution across American stores begins every day. Labels wrap every can before careful packaging begins inside Foodies Corner's California facility today. Welcome to the Foodies Corner factory, where precision and quality control are paramount. Our dedicated team ensures every can meets the highest standards. Mechanical packers organize finished cans into shipping cartons with perfect accuracy in every production cycle.
At Foodies Corner in Woodland, California, efficiency is key. Our massive, organized warehouse ensures that
Mechanical forklifts transport finished pallets toward loading docks with impressive efficiency every single shift. Quality control is paramount. Here at our Woodland Distribution Center, we guarantee the integrity of your order. Welcome to the Foodies Corner factory. Here in Woodland, we take pride in our seamless and efficient loading process. Loaded trucks depart Woodland, delivering premium tomato sauce across countless American communities every single day.
From California farms, every can reaches families with dependable freshness and exceptional flavor consistently. Every carefully prepared can arrives fresh at supermarkets across the United States every single day. Store employees neatly arrange every can before customers begin shopping across America each morning. Every production step ensures consistent quality, from California farms to American dining tables every day. Foodies Corner proudly transforms fresh harvests into America's favorite tomato sauce every single day. Finished cartons enter Foodies Corner's climate-controlled warehouse for organized storage before nationwide shipping today. Mechanical forklifts organize every shipment with remarkable precision before scheduled truck departures each morning. Every shipment receives final verification before leaving Woodland for stores across America every day. Every day, this facility ensures that Foodies Corner tomato sauce reaches your local supermarket shelves with speed and precision.
Loaded trailers begin delivering fresh tomato sauce throughout cities across the United States every day.
Every day, this facility ensures that Foodies Corner tomato sauce reaches your local supermarket shelves with speed and precision. Finished cartons enter Foodies Corner's climate-controlled warehouse for organized storage before nationwide shipping today. Mechanical forklifts organize every shipment with remarkable precision before scheduled truck departures each morning. To the nexus of the modern supply chain, a symphony of synchronized movement, ensuring that the bounty of the harvest reaches every table across the nation. Delivery trucks arrive before sunrise, keeping supermarket shelves stocked every single morning across America.
Store employees carefully organize every tomato sauce can before customers begin shopping each morning.
Perfectly stocked shelves welcome shoppers seeking fresh, premium tomato sauce every single day today.
From California harvests to dinner tables, every can delivers trusted quality and freshness consistently.
The fries over here. Oh wow, look at how much ketchup he has. This is the best dinner ever.
I can't believe how good this tastes. It's perfect, right down to the ketchup.
Absolutely incredible. The best meal we've had all year.
Absolutely, cheers. These burgers look amazing. You have to try the chicken, it's perfect. Pass me the fries, please.